In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a recurring task on Monday.com. This feature can be incredibly useful for managing tasks that need to be done on a regular basis, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're looking to streamline your project management or simply stay on top of your daily, weekly, or monthly tasks, setting up a recurring task on Monday.com is a straightforward process. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this, step by step. First, navigate to the Monday.com homepage. This is where your journey begins. It's the central hub for all your projects and tasks. Once you're on the homepage, locate your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to various settings and options, including the automations feature, which we'll be getting to in just a moment. Click on your profile to proceed. After clicking your profile, you'll want to look for the automations button. Automations on Monday.com are a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your productivity by automating routine tasks, including the creation of recurring tasks. Go ahead and click on Automations. Within the Automations menu, you'll see an option for Custom Templates. This is where the magic happens. By creating custom automation templates, you can tailor the platform to your specific needs and workflow. Click on Custom Templates to move forward. Next, you'll see an option to create your own template. This is your opportunity to create automation that perfectly matches your requirements for recurring tasks. Click on it and let's set up something that works for you. At this point, you'll need to select a board. This board is where your recurring task will live. Choose the board that is most relevant to the recurring task you wish to set up. Now it's time to define the trigger for your recurring task. Click on when this happens, and let's specify how frequently this task should recur. For our example, we'll be focusing on a time-based trigger. After selecting the trigger, choose every time period to specify how often your task should repeat. This can be daily, weekly, monthly, or any other interval that suits your needs. Following the selection of your time period, you'll select Duplicate Group as the action to be taken. This ensures that your recurring task is duplicated in its entirety, maintaining any subtasks or details associated with it. Now you must define the duplication frequency. Click on every time period again to reaffirm how often this action should occur, mirroring the frequency you want for your task. Choose weekly if that suits the recurrence you need. Monday.com allows you to get granular with scheduling, ensuring that your tasks recur precisely when you need them to. Next, select a day. This step is crucial because it determines on which day of the week your task will recur. Pick the day that aligns with your schedule or project timeline. At this stage, you will be prompted to select a group. Groups are organizational units within boards that help you categorize and manage related tasks. Click on Group to choose the appropriate one for your recurring task. For the purpose of this guide, select the top group. This will make your recurring task appear at the top of your chosen group, making it highly visible and easy to access. Now click on the plus icon. This action moves you forward in the automation creation process, bringing your recurring task one step closer to completion. Next, you'll see an option to notify. This feature is particularly useful if you want to be reminded about the task or if you need to inform team members about it. Click on Notify to set up a notification. After choosing to notify, you're presented with the option to type the content of your notification. This is where you can specify what the notification should say, making it clear and actionable, then click on Someone. This allows you to select the recipient of the notification. You have the flexibility to notify yourself, a teammate, or even a group, depending on who needs to be aware of the recurring task. For illustration purposes, let's choose to notify yourself. This ensures that you're always in the loop about the recurring task, helping you stay on top of responsibilities. Finally, click on Create Automation. This is the pivotal moment where your recurring task, complete with its custom automation, comes to life. By clicking this, you confirm all the settings and parameters you've selected throughout the process. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a recurring task on Monday.com, tailored to your specific needs and schedule. This feature is not just about making sure tasks are repeated, it's about ensuring consistency, relieving the mental load of having to remember to manually recreate tasks, and enhancing overall productivity. Remember, the true power of automation lies in its ability to adapt to your workflows and processes. Don't hesitate to explore further, adjusting and refining your automations as your projects evolve and your needs change. Monday.com is a dynamic tool, and mastering its automation features is key to unlocking its full potential.